This how to 1 minute will show you how to add post view counter in WordPress website. So if you posted a post on your WordPress website, and after posting, if you want to see how many people viewed your post, follow this step-by-step guide. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and we need to install a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new and search here post views counter. And this is the plugin we need to install and activate the plugin. Once the plugin activated, hover over on settings and click on post views counter. And now we need to set up post view counters plugin. Select the general tab and here you can select post types count. I'm going to selecting here post. You can select also pages, media, counter mode, select PHP or you can select JavaScript from here. You can enable post views column from here. You can restrict post views editing to admins only. And count interval, select count interval from here. You can reset your post views data interval every 30 days or every or you can select any value from here. So I'm going to reset data interval every 30 days. Exclude visitors, you can select robots, logged in users, guest, selected user role. So I'm going to selecting here guest logged users. Now select the display tab and from here you can, I'm gonna typing here recent visitors. Post type, select post. Page type, I'm gonna selecting here single page. User, you can select here user type. You can change the position. You can change the display size from here and click on save changes. Now I'm going to my WordPress and here I opened a post. I'm going to reloading my post page. As you can see, the post view counter has been successfully added. I'm going to copying this post link and opening it from another browser, and then if I reload my WordPress post page, as you can see the recent visitors increase. So this is how we can add post view counters in WordPress website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.